There. Ran across a product here that's working pretty good for me here. I've got a rusty old piece of metal plate that I dug out of my stock. I need to get some of the rust off of it. I tried the 40, well this is a 60. I had a 40 grit Harbor Freight on it. The 60 grit is totally useless. The 40 grit gets smooth right away. And then I went to a 40 grit Sontax. And that seemed to work really nice as far as what it's supposed to do. And I had cut these corners off so you don't pierce your skull if you fall against it. And I used this then to round the corners decent. But I started working on this. I've tried a brush, I've tried the flap discs, and I got this in, and I've never tried it before. It's called a strapping disc, and for taking the rust off of rusty metal, this thing is fantastic. Here, I don't know if you noticed the dust blowing off. When you start your grind, you take a deep breath, and then you grind until you have to, and then you shut it off and let the wind blow it away, and then you get another breath. Works out good. You don't have to wear one of those disgusting masks. You want to make sure the wind is blowing good first, though. I'd have been all day playing with this. If I hadn't started using this. And you could use it just like a floor scrubber too. certainly entertaining. Let's do the other side. I didn't expect to get this done today. Then what I'll do is I'm going to be changing oil in the tractor and the digger. And I'll just take the used oil and paint it on, wipe it off, and let it dry in the sun. And that'll make a nice coating for it. Be just like downtown. Looks like the neighbor's going crazy on me again. What the hell is up to? That's it, folks.